Well, I'm on a new hunt today. So I came out here, gonna see what I can find. I'll let you know what I find. All right, my first dig, first hole. Get this. Has a little bit of ornate design on it. Don't know what it is, but it's pretty cool. All right, let's see what else I found. I'm hunting this, it's a pretty big hayfield, so I know there used to be some old houses around here, but we'll see. Well, this is a good find. It's like a mason jar lid. From Mason Jars. Boyd's cap, pretty old one. Yeah, that could be a good sign. Old stuff around here. So this is a keeper. And here's a part of the lid right here. So keep on digging. Here's another find right here. Looks like old, could be horse tack. So it's a good find. All right, this is a cool little find. It's small. It says right here, favor Ruley and Company. I don't know, it looks like a cap or a little valve stem or something, but it's cool. I'll keep it. See what else I find. All right, found our old file. All right, dug this up. And with it came with a nail also. All right, found another mason jar lid. Some pieces right here. Now I just gotta find that mason jar full of gold coins. That's the goal. All right, let's see what else I find. All right, I just dug something. I have no idea what it is. Looks like almost like a can that was crushed, or I don't know. Let me get it cleaned up and I'll see what it is. All right, I cleaned it off some. Really, I do not know what this is. Some kind of crushed up trash, I guess. If anybody knows what this is, let me know. All right, I just flipped the plug. So it was Screaming 82. Looks like a buckle. That's a good find. See what else I find. It is stinking hot out. It's like 90. Trying to stay in the shade. All right, see what else I find. All right, found some more mason lid jar. Mason lids. So, all right, see what else I find. All right, I found another mason lid. Pretty cool. Too bad it's broke. Oh well, next find. All right, found another mason lid. This one is a whole lid, a lot better shape. Too bad the porcelain's cracked. That's pretty cool. That's a keeper. So what else I find? All right, looks like almost like old Rains guide. It's iron though. All right, see what else I find. All right, found this big old lid. Big old cap to something. Tore it up. Shovel cut into it, but that's okay. It's probably trash anyways. All right, see what else I find. All right, found this little shotgun head stamp. It's an old one. Almost looks like a button. Okay, see what else I find. All right, dug up the piece of this horse bit. It's pretty gnarly. All right, see what else I find. All right, found this old gear. Probably went to an old clock or something. All right, see what else I find. All right, look what I found. It's a golf ball. I know someone who would love to have this one. All right, Exploring Alabama. This one's for you. I know you love the golf balls, so it's HP 2011. All right, looks like I found another shotgun head stamp. Another old one. Golly, I would think that there'd be some coins in this field, especially with all the mason jar lids and all the other stuff. It's all old stuff, but haven't found anything yet, so this is close to it. And I'll keep on hunting. I still got daylight. All right, found something with holes in it. Woohoo! It's a holy piece of metal. All right, now this is a sweet find right here. Look at that thing. This was ringing up like a 95. Big old hunk of brass, probably some horse tack right here. All right, that is cool. All right, got something in the clump here. Don't know what it is. I'm gonna break it open. Gosh, this ground is hard. All right, don't know what it is. Probably probably some jewelry or something like that. It's old. That's a keeper. All right. It's about 8:45. I just got done doing that field. Found a ton of mason jar lids. Found a bunch of buckles and all that stuff. That little thing that said Favor Roll and Company was old drafting kit part, piece of old vintage drafting kit. So, but yeah, that's about it. I think I'm gonna have to really just spend a lot of time in that field. I think it was a barn may have burned down, or a house. A lot of iron and all that stuff. So we'll see what I find, and see what else I can find out of that. I'll take it slow next time. And I was surprised I didn't find any coins. They're probably pretty deep. So, all right, happy hunting, everyone.